Today I'm in Ta Xbiex, Malta, and I'm going to be showing you some streets which are going to be changed completely because various buildings here are going to be demolished and built into new apartments. Almost commie blocks perhaps. Let's get to the streets. So this is the main street, Water, where the houses are going to be demolished according to a report in the time in a newspaper. I think it was Illum. And some residents have said that some other streets are also going to be the same treatment. I don't know, but let's see. Here we have the name of the road, the Water. Which goes here. Some puddles of water from the rain, yesterday's rain. My mistake, I stepped into a puddle. So this is all water here. So let's see. Well, this is going to go presumably. So at least this way there you can have a record of how it was, how it looked like before it changes completely its character, you know, its traditional Maltese character, and then it will become boring blocks. Just to have a record, you know, for history, how it looked like. Once the new blocks become, you know, are becoming more like commie blocks than anything, sadly. Not very traditional looking, in my opinion. No offense meant, no offense against development. Development is good. Capoeira, Brazilian, Jiu-Jitsu, salsa, fitness, yoga, self-training, dance, fit, personal training. And they also mentioned Halj, which is this one. Yeah, this the G with the dot, that's why it's Halj. Let's see. I don't know. Well, residents said on Facebook that even this street is going to have blocks demolished. Let's just walk here. Okay, so this is Gostra. This is actually the one which was in the paper. So this is the one which definitely is going to be redeveloped. You've already got some blocks here, but the new ones will be taller, basically. I think 7 floors, I'm not sure. But again, this style and character is going to be apparently very different. So that will be a pity, if so. Fingers crossed that they will keep, you know, more traditional style, character, but you know, that's unlikely today. That's rare. So we keep losing a bit of the individuality, the uniqueness. Nice tree. A lot of the uniqueness of the houses, especially the houses are going to be gone. Even here, they're already, this is already gone. Anyway, so this is a record of how it was, the street before the developments, and we'll see. Thank you for viewing this video, and hopefully it's a record for the future. If you are new, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell. In any case, please press the like button also and share the video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.